Hi, I'm Justin with Countryside RV. Today we're looking at 2023 Cougar 364 BHL. You can see the different design on the 2023. You got some different decals, a little bit different logo on the front. This one has the windshield on it. You can see those docking lights. You got the Hitch Vision mirror, and the Roto Flex pin box, so that swivels when you're driving down the road. There's rubber bushings in there. We got the front compartment here. Inside this box, you have two 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium batteries. They're heated as well, so they'll still charge when they're below 32 degrees. Got a spare tire, battery disconnect switch. It's also prepped for tire link, tire pressure monitoring system. You got your switch for your docking lights. Got a little light right here. You got one spot for your LP tank. This unit does come with two 30-pound LP tanks. There's another one on the other side. Then your front pass-through. So you can see that goes all the way across. Plenty of storage. You actually have a solar panel disconnect right there, right next to your solar charger. This unit has 200 watts of solar by SolarFlex, super upgradable. It's inverter prepped, so you can run 7 outlets inside. You can add panels, get more watts. You can add more batteries, so you can run longer. Plenty of upgrades. You also have auto level. It's 4-point electric auto level. You have your docking station. You got your outside shower, winterized hookup. So you just flip these valves, and then the pump sucks the antifreeze right here. So you don't have to take anything apart, hooked up to the pump, anything like that. You can also bypass your water heater. Well, you actually don't have to, because this is a tankless water heater, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. Then you have your cable pull valves for your holding tanks. It's only these two, which is nice. And then one dump right there. And then you got a little light up there. You can put a portable solar panel right there if you wanted to. Your key TV box for a satellite if you had it. There's that tankless water heater. That's the back side of your furnace. Come around. Got these nice rims they decided to put on the 2023. Super clean look. They also have road armor suspension. It says 360 degrees of dampening. A lot better than no rubber at all. So, well, I lied. There is a second dump because it does have that half bath in the back. So you do have two dump spots. You got the one up front and then one right there. Working way back here, this is where you fill your fresh tank at. And then you got some storage back here underneath the bed. Right there. And you do have a spot for a bike rack or anything like that. Maybe a small trailer. You got roof access ladder. A rear view camera prep up there. And then coming around, you got an outside kitchen. Put that up. You got a mini fridge. Little freezer in the corner. And then you also have this pull-out grill. Can't really get it out with one hand, but there's a grill in there. Then you have your second entry door right here. It has the Lippert solid step. And then right here's another outside shower. There. You got two awnings. One in the back, and then one in the front. They got a new grab handle here. So it goes all the way down. A lot more support. And then to put it up, you just hit that and shove it down just like that. So super convenient, super nice. You got an outlet. Your other side of the pass-through, there's your in-command BCM. You also have a TV hookup, so you can set a TV right there if you wanted. And then your other 30-pound LP tank goes right there. So now we're going to take a look at the inside, show some of those features. So we get inside, you can see we got plenty of living space. Got a nice sized kitchen, plenty of counter space, lots of storage. We got a cabinet and a drawer by the stove, some storage above the microwave. You got your standard stove and oven. Got an over-the-range microwave. And then we got a large 12-volt refrigerator. I believe it's 16 cubic foot. We got the fridge on this side and then the freezer on this side. It's even got a off-grid mode where it uses less power, so if you're running strictly on the solar, you can do that. Then we got storage underneath the sink. You got a place for a trash can. And then we got a full set of drawers right here. Even comes with a little utensil divider. Plenty of storage. Then we got a double basin sink, stainless steel pull-out sprayer on the faucet. Then we also have this huge pantry, 2 doors. Gonna have to step back, kind of see it all. It's also where your converter's at. There's a little light in there as well. It is a motion light too. So then we got your booth dinette. legless, so it's a dream dinette. So you just flip a lever, shove it down, and then it turns into a bed. A little bit better than those old poles they used to use. Then we got theater seating that are also heated and vibrate for massage. There's a USB right there. Got cup holders, a little bit of storage, and they're facing right at the TV that does come with it. We take them out when they go to the lot. We got storage above the TV for movies, some more storage next to the radio, and then your fireplace. And when you work your way back here, you got the bunk room. So we got a full-size bed right here. There's storage underneath. You can access that from outside as well. And then we got the wardrobe. And then we got your furnace return air right there. Got a light. And then there's a place for a TV up there, which you could watch from the loft or from the bed, because there is a second hookup for a TV up there. So you could have two TVs if you wanted. We have plenty of space up there, a couple of lights, some storage, window. There's also a nice guardrail for kids. And then this ladder just pulls out, just like that. So super easy, super functional. You could also use it for storage if you don't have any guests or kids. But great feature, good use of space. You also have this nice full-size bed, so if you have an adult. And then your half bath with the entry door right here. Got some storage, a little bit of counter space. Then we got a medicine cabinet. You got an exhaust fan up there. So that's pretty much it for back here. Walk around through the front. This unit does have the quiet cool ACs with the residential filter. So super quiet, pretty much just as quiet as a whisper air system. Just looks a little different. So it's got blade pure ducting system, so it pushes it out evenly through the unit instead of a directional. So we're going to walk up here. We'll look at the in command. This runs the whole unit. You can also use an app on your phone to do the same thing. So you got like your lights, your tank levels, all that stuff. Super easy. Your tank heaters. So you connect to your phone. I think it's about 300 yards away. You can run your camper. So super convenient. Then we got your battery heat switch. So this will apply heat to your lithium-ion batteries that come with this unit, because lithium-ion batteries will not charge below 32 degrees. So you flip that on, it's on the thermostat. It'll keep them above 32. So that way in those colder weather, your batteries will stay charged with your solar or if you're plugged in. So super handy. You can leave that off. Gets cold, flip it on. Then you have your controls for your tankless water heater. So coming up here, we got a queen size bed, a windshield up front, extra light. There is a blind that shuts too. And then we got storage above the bed, beside, down low. Nice little spots for your phone. You got USB and outlets. They are inverter prepped as well. So if you did decide to get the inverter, those outlets will be powered by that. Your second AC. And then we got a wardrobe slide. So even more storage there. Got the bathroom. Nice corner shower with a glass door. Really nice shower head as well. Got your exhaust fan. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And then on the sink, they put the faucet on the side to kind of give you some more counter space. Give you more storage down here. And then a nice big medicine cabinet. And you got two entries, so you can go in through the bedroom or from the hallway. You also have TV hookups right here. And we'll walk back through. This unit is built with aluminum framed walls, vacuum bonded. It has a one-piece plywood floor, front to back, no seams. It has thermofoil on the bottom and the top, as well as the slide outs. You can kind of see it right there. So you have fully insulated slide out boxes, vacuum bonded walls on the slide out. You have a 5-inch wood truss ceiling. There is attic vents as well to get the cold air out, as well as the hot air in the summer. We're going to talk about the Blade Pure air conditioning, 35,000 BTU furnace. And then, so that's pretty much it for this floor plan. It's a nice 1.5 bath. You got 2 bedrooms. Nice big bed in the back for guests. So very versatile. Lots of storage. You can come look at it. Countryside RV in Colfax, Iowa. Or you can leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Or give us a call at 515-674-4678. Be glad to help you. And that's pretty much it.